guys, welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple balloon garland that will be a perfect fit for a bridal shower. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. As a base for our garland, we are going to do a lamp base. This is what a lamp base looks like, but we want to extend it. And to do that, we will add 2 additional pieces from a different lampstand. I simply deconstructed a different lampstand and took those 2 pieces, and now I will add them on top. So now this stand is long enough for me to create anywhere from 12 to 16 foot garland. Let's do it. The colors we chose for our garlands are the Reflex Champagne by Sempertex, Reflex Pink by Sempertex, and Canyon Rose by Tuftex stuffed inside of the white. So we just put 6 balloons together in one cluster, mixing the sizes. Like here we have 17-inch and 11-inch inflated to the different capacity, so it looks like it's a different diameter in one cluster. And here we are using all of the 11 inches. They're just inflated to the different capacity for more dimensions. So now what we're going to do, we will take our base and we will spread 2 balloons apart, then hug the base and twist the balloons. And that will sit on the base really nice and tight because of the grip from latex. But remember, you do not want to put all the balloons all the way on the bottom, pushing it to the floor, because this will pull up the whole base. And we don't want that. We want it to be nice and sturdy. What you can do after we put the base garland in place, we can extend it on the floor. That will give you a different effect and will keep your balloon base in place. As you can see here, I'm just alternating the colors. So now I will extend it a little bit at the top to make it longer and curvier on top. For that, I'm just leaning my base and adding this cluster on top a little bit to the side. I will use the loops of 260 to do this. I typically prepare them on my arm, and I just simply loop it through a balloon or 2 just in case something pops. And then I'm attaching it to my cluster. So the next thing we're going to do is to fluff up our garland on the bottom, because now it looks really narrow, and that's not what we want when we're creating the organic garland. So now we will add the clusters on the bottom of the garland, continuing our color pattern. I will add just 1 more of that double stuffed Canyon Rose because it will be covered by the other colors in front of it. Now let's fluff it up. What we're going to do, we will take additional clusters that we have created, and with the help of the loops of 260s that I have on my arm, we will just be fluffing it up by adding additional cluster to each side. And here you can either alternate colors or mix them, or just combine them with the one. Like here I have a champagne, and you can add the champagne next to it. So that will give you like mixed color block kind of look. Let's do that. So 260 on the cluster, and now we'll add it to the side. So I have some additional clusters left, so I'm going to just fluff it up here on the floor. I don't know about you guys, but I am in love with this color palette. What we're going to do to finish our look, we will add our 5-inch fillers. So those are the 5-inch balloons, put them into a quad, and I will use a loop of 260 to attach them to the spots where I want them. And those spots will be where you can see the base, or where you can see the 260, or where you feel like you're missing a little bit of a dimension. I also like to extend my additional clusters so they look a little bit more organic with like a pointy ends. And here you have it, you guys, a freestanding garland that will be a great fit for a bridal shower or many other events. Here we used about 180 balloons, including the little quads that we added at the end. What other themes do you guys want to see us create? Let us know in the comments below. And I will see you in the next video.